The most frustrating part about finding a contractor for us was the idea of having others respond back to us after we inquire. Pittsburgh's Best was very good about that. They came, they did exactly what they said they were going to do, and we were very comfortable with hiring them. We ended up choosing Pittsburgh's Best primarily because of the people that came. Missy was great, Tobey was great. We felt very comfortable with hiring them. We thought the price was right, so we ended up moving forward with them. Missy was the designer, and she really did a great job designing the kitchen, came up with ideas that we had never thought of. So the whole experience with her was very good. The favorite part about working with Pittsburgh's Best for us, I'd have to say, was the people. Everybody that we came in contact with, Pete primarily, was the lead. Super nice. Everybody was. I was always amazed with the idea that I would come up with a question and find that they were already a step and a half ahead of me. The favorite part of the remodel, I'd have to say, was just watching the transformation of the kitchen. Pittsburgh's Best was on time. They always showed up when they said they were going to. And I would say to anybody else that was interested in doing a project like this or anything else, I would highly recommend Pittsburgh's Best.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.